Welcome to Labellerr, where data annotation meets cutting edge AI technology. I'll be talking about how data annotation with segment anything model that has been integrated recently in Labellerr has made the annotation process quite accurate and quite efficient. Now, what is segment anything model? It identifies the pixel by pixel intensity of an object and marks the contours around the object with pixel perfect accuracy. And it does this by identifying the features and patterns of the pixels inside the object. I'll show you how this works. So let's go to the label screen inside Labellerr. I'll click on cargo. Now, cargo is an object of type annotation type polygon. And as you can see, that there's a wand here. So I'll click on the wand and I can select my interactor. Right now, I'm selecting the interactor as segment anything. I'll click on interact. Now I have my interactor now. I'll click on the object that has to be annotated. You can see that this object has been marked with pixel perfect accuracy. It has been segmented very accurately and very efficiently in just a few seconds of time. I'll just press my enter to confirm the annotation that has been done by segment anything model. This is an attribute attached. There's an attribute attached to this object. So I'll click on standard to say that this object is of standard type, and I'll click on submit. So you can see my cargo has been annotated very accurately, and this is how it works. I hope you enjoyed the magic of segment anything model in data annotation. Thank you. Thank you so much for listening patiently.